out there, so Heidi decided to do it up big, heading out to the closest wave she can find. Hi, Heidi.
Hey, Ryan, good morning. We're hanging 10 out here at Big Surf Water Park, having a great time. It's hot out there, so you want to come down here today if you're in this part of the valley. Even if you're not, half off for 3TV viewers today, so there's reason to make the drive down here. And like its name, Big Surf, it really does mean surfing out here. Jeff Goldner, you guys have surfing lessons and boogie board lessons, is that right?
We do boogie board sessions. So on Sundays we go from 12 to 12:30 and 2:30 to 3 o'clock, 2 half-hour sessions. Boogie boards only, so it's really safe. There's nobody in the way while they're boogie boarding, and that's what's happening right now. And then every day at 5 o'clock, surfing only for a full hour, surf sessions where people can bring their surfboards, rent them here, and enjoy some surfing here.
Now, are there age or height restrictions on these? Who can come out for this?
Anyone can come out. Anyone that can, get in here. If you're under 4 feet, we'll put a life vest on you, complimentary. But otherwise, it's a great place to learn artificially, if you will, and then take your skills out to the natural oceans.
Well, that's what I was saying. So many people head to San Diego over the summer. You practice here, you look a little silly here, then you get out on the beach and you look like a pro, right?
Exactly. We've heard that.
Now, I want to talk to you about the food and beverage. You guys have a lot of options for people who come out here.
We do. We have it's not your typical concession stand. We've got a grill that operates on the weekends. We've got everything from pizza to sub sandwiches, salads, even some fruit. And then we've got the typical hot dog, hamburger, and other concessions that you typically find.
Right. Now, I want to talk quickly, too, about sun safety. Even with all this water, you're staying wet, you're staying cool. You guys provide a lot of options for shade, and you really are careful to make sure people are being safe out here.
We do. Certainly, we encourage people to bring their sunscreen. If they don't, we sell it here at the gift shop. And we've got palapas all over the facility for shade. And then we're kind of teasing this a little bit, but we're adding some cabanas, which are going to
step out of the way and have Rudy zoom in on those.
Those are going to open fairly soon, and they're up in structure, and we're going to outfit them with some furniture and make them available for rent fairly soon.
Now, do you know at this point how much those are going to be?
We're not quite sure yet, so it's just the tipping point, but our 3TV viewers are hearing about it for the first time.
Oh, I love that. Thank you so much. So again, this is the place to be out here today. It's a beautiful day. It's a little bit breezy, which is really nice once you get out of the water. It's a nice cool down. But again, half off for 3TV viewers. That's available on the Big Surf website. We've also put it on our website, and I know Tess and Ryan have put it on their Facebook pages as well. So you know what? Why not? Get out of the heat. Come to Big Surf.
Looks like so much fun, Heidi. Thank you so much. It's Big Surf.